I'm Jordyn here with MLive and the Ann Arbor News, and I'm here today outside of the 14A1 District Court where Sherrone Moore just took a plea deal to 2 misdemeanors. The former University of Michigan football coach pleaded no contest to malicious use of a telecommunications device in a domestic relationship and another charge of no trespassing. Both charges are misdemeanors, and the plea deal will throw out his felony and his other 2 misdemeanors that he had been previously charged with. The charges are punishable by up to 6 months in prison, but the judge indicated that he may review the sentence and offer a deferred program. The charges stem from a December 10th incident where Moore reportedly broke into a former staffer's home and threatened her with a knife after that staffer reported that she had had an inappropriate relationship with Moore. That incident happened just hours after Moore had been fired by the university. There are currently 2 different investigations from the university into Moore, separate from the ongoing criminal case. The plea deal today kind of took reporters by surprise because we had been expecting what's called an evidentiary hearing for a Franks hearing. That hearing was supposed to help Judge Simpson decide if the arrest warrant in this case was valid after an attorney argued that the magistrate who listened to testimony for that arrest warrant should have been told that Moore and the staffer had been in an employer-employee relationship. Her argument was that that information would have helped guide the magistrate on deciding on whether or not these charges were valid, given the allegations of stalking and the allegations that Moore had contacted the staffer multiple times. Her argument hinged on the idea that Moore should have been expected to reach out to the staffer, given that they still were in an employer-employee relationship at the time some of those calls happened. However, after a several-hour delay for a hearing that was supposed to take place at 11 a.m. this morning, Moore came out and took this plea deal instead. For more updates about Moore and this case and the investigations going on at the University of Michigan, follow MLive and the Ann Arbor News at mlive.com.